whether or not the Sangguniang complied with the Local Government Code of 1991 and its implementing rules regarding quorum requirements. Sabi niya, the court ruled that the Sangguniang did not comply with the Local Government Code. So, ibig sabihin, wala silang quorum. The court found that the journal of the Sangguniang was not clear and explicit as to the presence of a quorum when the question acts were taken. The journal showed that only 6 members were called by the presiding officer to vote on the motions, while 6 other members whose names appeared in attendance were not called. The placing of asterisk after the names of the 5 members in the resolutions was highly irregular and suspicious, especially since petitioner had already left the session. Respondents themselves admitted that there were only 7 members present when the motions were voted upon. The court was constrained to look into the proceedings of the Sangguniang as recorded in the journal and not just rely on resolutions number 05 and 07. So, ibig sabihin dito, mga kabatas natin, no, yung sinasabi nila na may quorum dito, wala talagang quorum.